Okay, so I'm going to do CH2Cl2. First thing I need to do is I need to find out the total number of valence electrons I'm going to use. So C, there's no number next to it, so I only have one atom. C is in group 14. 4 valence electrons equals 4 valence electrons. Cool. I'm going to do H next. I got 2 of them. H is in group 1, so it has 1 valence electron. 2 times 1 is 2. Great. Cl, I have 2 of them. So the little at means is the atom sign. C times chlorine, it's group 17, so it has 7. Ve, so that equals 14. Okay, next thing I need to do, I need to draw my Lewis structure. Put C in the middle because I only have one of them. And H, Cl, Cl. Alright. Next thing I do on all my outside atoms, I'm going to add 7 unless it's hydrogen. Because these two are hydrogen, I'm not going to do anything to them. So then, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's not very clear. Okay. Now I need to make sure this adds up to a total of 16, 4 is 20. So all of these represent 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So there I'm good. The next step is I have to use this chart to check the electronegativities. So carbon is here, chlorine, and hydrogen. Hydrogen is 2.1. So if I'm going to do electronegativities, I'll do that here. E negs. Carbon equals 2.5 minus 2.1, 2.5 minus 2.1. That is 0.4. Now my big cutoff is 0.5. This or above, it is a polar bond. Below this, it is a nonpolar bond. So here I have nonpolar bonds. I don't have to do anything to those. Next one, I need to do the difference between carbon. I always put in the bigger number first. So I got 3.0 minus 2.5, and that equals 0.5. This does satisfy this rule. So these are going to be polar bonds. So I need to represent that. Chlorine is stronger. It's pulling these electrons a little bit closer, so I'm going to put a little sign here that shows that these are stronger. It's important to put this sign here in between. I don't have to do anything with these because these are nonpolar bonds. Last step, follow my flow chart to see if this is a polar molecule. Alright, are there polar bonds? Yes, these two are, so I'm going this way. Are there lone pairs on the central atom? Nope, they're all shared. Is there at least one polar bond? Yes, these are nonpolar bonds, so I'm going to go this way. So I have a polar molecule.